Hi, today I'm going to talk about exponential growth, modeling that. We're going to go over how to make the equation for that and why the equation is what it is. First, I'll give a quick answer, and then second, I will go more in depth as to why it is the way it is. So for the first one, basically what our equation is going to look like is f of x, x equals time, equals 10 times 1 minus 0.03 to the time. And then we will put in, we know that's going to be 3% per hour, and we want after 1 day, there's 24 hours in 1 day, so our x is going to be 24, equals 10 times 1 minus 0.03 to the 24. This will give us 4.81 pounds. However, for the more in-depth answer, so this is the exponential growth modeling. This is what we're talking about. So typically, we have our function where we are talking about it, which is like y is going to be our dependent variable. And then x is going to be our independent variable. We have our initial amount, 1 minute, initial amount is equal to a, and then we have times 1. The reason why it's 1 is because if we just did a times 0.03, in our case, if it was 1, that would mean that after 1 hour, it would only be 0.03 pounds. However, it's actually just going to be 1 minus 0.03 pounds, right? The 1 here keeps this initial amount preserved so we can have a correct answer. So, and in this case, well, in the normal formula is plus our rate to the amount of time that has passed. In this case, our initial amount is going to equal 10 because there's 10 pounds. And then the 1, I already explained why that's there, plus our 0.03. We want this to be in decimal form, so it makes it actually, if we times it by 3, then it would be 30, and we don't want that. We just want it to be in decimal form. And then we want 1 day, which we know that this is the equation for hours. This is how much per hour it goes down. And 1 day has 24 hours in it, so we're going to have x equal 24. When we do this, it will be, oh, I forgot to mention, it's not adding in this case because the rate it's decreasing, it's melting. Our pounds are going down. So really what we want here is going to be a minus 0.03. So in this case, it's going to be 10 times 0.97 to the 24th. And when you plug that into your calculator, you should get 4.81. And that will be your answer. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I think that covers it. Have a good one. Thanks.